Hello, this is Flat Renovation Update Day 67. It has been a while since I've done an update video, so let's show you what has been done. So as you will see in the kitchen over here, we've got all the cupboards in place. Only issue is this cupboard door over here, the holes are wrong, so they can't put the handle on, so I'm gonna have to get that sorted out somehow. Over here you'll see we've got the oven in place with the extractor. Very nice, as well as the fridge. Bosch, Bosch and Bosch, so that's pretty good. And then over here we have two hanging lights which have both been replaced. We've got the 2-meter Black Tracklight with this light over here. Just seen it for the first time, looks really nice. And we've also got this light. And then lastly we have in two pendant lights over here. Don't know where they are right now, but they're going to be added over there. And then once that's done, touch up all this mess over here, and then the kitchen is basically done. I've got my counters coming at some point. They're going to be made shortly and installed, so I'm excited to see that done. So until next time.